Today we're here to look at a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan with a Severia side entry conversion. This conversion will allow a person in a wheelchair to either drive or be the passenger. This vehicle is also equipped with a single pin spinner. Push the red button, you're able to remove it. Easy to reinsert. Match up the hole in the stem and push in. Now this vehicle is also equipped with a Drive Master reduced steering. You'll notice, very easy to steer. This will allow somebody with reduced muscle mass to easily navigate and steer the vehicle safely. This system also has a backup. Should the power in the vehicle fail, there is a battery backup that will allow you to continue to steer with ease. Modifications are endless. Please contact us for more information.